Eastern UP is experiencing a surge in ambition. Across cities like Azamgarh, Mah, and Varanasi, families and business owners are demanding customized, modern dream spaces. But the process of actually building that property usually forces the client into a highly stressful second job as a full-time project manager. Traditional construction is a tangled web of conflicting interests. You sit in the center, forced to reconcile the schedules and standards of independent architects, unpredictable labor teams, and separate material suppliers. This fragmented system reliably produces budget overruns and timeline delays, often resulting in a final product that compromises your original design. Achieving a high-end space should not require you to survive a logistical nightmare. S-Square Architecture offers a definitive alternative through their complete turnkey solution. Instead of managing a dozen moving parts, you hand over your vision to a single entity and simply walk into a fully finished space months later. The firm is led by senior architect Shahab Anwar, who brings 22 years of hands-on structural and design experience to the region. That length of practice translates into a deep, practical understanding of regional structural planning and the specific demands of the local UP and Bihar markets. 22 years of local history replaces the unpredictability of a construction site with a process built on established relationships and proven structural planning. The S-Square process begins with the plan phase, a deep site analysis paired with a thorough mapping of your lifestyle, budget, and functional requirements. Next comes the design phase, where raw blueprints are elevated into a comprehensive virtual build. Flat, two-dimensional floor plans are extruded into photorealistic environments, allowing for a complete virtual walkthrough before construction begins. You can visualize every detail, from lighting and false ceilings to furniture placement, approving the final result before a single real-world brick is laid. Securing your vision in a 3D model eliminates the risk of costly mid-construction changes and misunderstandings. With the virtual model approved, the process moves into the build phase on the physical site. S-Square operates with an integrated supply chain through its sister firm, KSA Enterprises, completely bypassing the reliance on external third-party vendors. Direct in-house access to plywood, hardware, and power tools eliminates material bottlenecks and protects your budget from sudden market price fluctuations. This feeds directly into the deliver phase, backed by rigorous end-to-end supervision and quality assurance at every stage of construction. Operating with a single point of contact means there is no room for blame shifting between contractors. You receive a rock-solid guarantee of an on-time handover. Controlling both the architectural design and the physical procurement provides a level of timeline certainty that a fragmented system cannot match. The dust settles and you step into a physical space that matches the virtual design you approved months ago. This seamless transition removes traditional building anxiety, making it the ideal solution for first-time homeowners, expanding businesses, and NRI investors managing properties from abroad. It is the direct realization of S-Square Architecture's core philosophy: designing spaces, inspiring lives. By integrating design and supply, S-Square demonstrates that the precision and quality usually reserved for major metros is now standard practice in Azamgarh. If you are ready to transform your property without the stress of managing the site yourself, it is time to secure a complete solution. Reach out to senior architect Shahab Anwar.
Hi, Shahab Anwar Bhatt, senior architect, 22 years experience, residential, commercial and housing projects. S-Square and complete architectural solutions.